Have you recently been laid off or fired from your job and looking to apply for unemployment? In this video, we're going to go over what's required to receive unemployment and walk you through an actual example applying step by step. Filing for unemployment isn't as straightforward as you may think. There's a handful of steps needed to be completed before you start receiving your money, and other steps required to keep receiving your payments. First step, take a deep breath. Everything's going to be okay. After that, you want to head over to the U.S. Department of Labor government website, which I will include a link down below. The link will direct you to where you can apply for unemployment. All you have to do is find your state and then click on the link. Unemployment is handled by the state, so every state handles it just a little bit differently. Each state sets their own unemployment insurance benefits eligibility guidelines, but usually qualify if you're unemployed through no fault of your own. 2, you meet the work and wage requirements, and lastly, you meet any additional state requirements. A pro tip, your state's website should have an eligibility section to see if you're able to receive unemployment money. Since every state is a little bit differently, I would recommend to check out this section before applying for unemployment. Now we're going to walk through an example of applying for unemployment for Illinois. If you apply for another state, it's mostly going to be the same process and the same information you will need to apply. After you click on your state's link, you're going to want to click on File for Benefits, then File a Claim. Then lastly, click on File an Unemployment Insurance Claim. The first step is going to be to create an account with the state if you don't already have one. It only takes a few minutes to do so, and you just have to enter in your personal information. After you create an account, then the next step is to file for unemployment on the website. You're going to need to enter in your personal information, employment, occupation, income, and training. For unemployment, you may have to enter in some information such as your previous work, start and end dates, days and hours worked, job duties, type of work, name, title of the person you informed for leaving, and the reason for separation. After you fill out all the information, it will estimate on how much your weekly checks will be for, otherwise known as your WBA. Lastly, just agree to the terms and submit your unemployment claim. It doesn't stop there. Remember I said every state is just a little bit different? For Illinois, you have to create a resume and upload it to the State Department. Illinois also makes you enter a resume and basic information to an Illinois website that kind of looks like a basic version of a LinkedIn for Illinois residents. Your previous employer does have the option to contest unemployment claim, so make sure that all the information is correct. Sometimes you will receive a call from the State Department requesting more information or clarity, and don't be alarmed. I received a call from Illinois saying that my employer said that I never even worked there. I'm not sure if that was actually the case, but I uploaded my pay stubs and then I received my unemployment check a few days later. I would highly recommend to put in your bank account information to receive your money a lot faster with direct deposits. If not, they will mail you a check in the mail. You are not done yet. Every other week, you will have to fill out a questionnaire if you have been applying to places, if you turned down any work, if you were at school, or if you refused any job offers. You are given the date by the state when to fill out the questionnaire. For me, I was given every other Wednesday to complete it. It only takes about a few minutes to complete it, but it's important that you do it every other week. Another pro tip, the government can actually audit you for applying to places. I would recommend to create a simple Excel tracker of the jobs you've been applying to, such as like the company name, the title, link, and if you received an interview or job offer. If this video brought you any value, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out my other videos about different side hustles that I tried and other ways to learn about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.